How to download Hulu episodes for watch offline. Step number 1, verify your Hulu subscription. Ensure you have a Hulu no ads or Hulu no ads plus live TV subscription. Note, downloading is not available with the ad-supported plans. Step number 2, use a compatible device. Use Android devices version 5 or higher, iOS devices iOS 13 or higher, or Amazon Fire tablets Fire OS 5 or higher. Note, downloading is not supported on computers, smart TVs, or gaming consoles. Step number 3, install the Hulu app. Download the Hulu app from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or Amazon App Store. Search for Hulu and install it on your device. Step number 4, log into your Hulu account. Open the Hulu app and log in with your account credentials. Step number 5, find downloadable content. Use the search icon and select downloadable to see content available for offline viewing. Look for the download icon, a downward arrow, next to individual episodes or movies. Step number 6, download episodes or movies. Tap the download icon next to the desired episode or movie. The download will begin and can be monitored in the download section in the app. Step number 7, access and watch downloads. Go to the download section in the app. Select downloaded content to watch offline. Additional notes, you can have up to 25 downloads across 5 devices at a time. Unwatched downloads stay for 30 days. Once you start watching, you have 48 hours to finish. If downloads expire, renew them by tapping the exclamation icon next to the expired download.